In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Webex meeting through your browser. If you've received a meeting invite and you don't want to download the Webex app, this is a simple and convenient way to join directly from your web browser. It only takes a few moments, and once you know where to click, the process is very straightforward. To begin, open Gmail and look for the meeting invitation in your inbox. This is usually an email containing the meeting details and a link to join. Take a moment to open that invitation and make sure you're selecting the correct meeting, especially if you have several calendar or email notifications. Once you've opened the invitation, find the meeting link and click the option to join. This will open the Webex meeting page in a new browser tab or window. Depending on your browser settings, you may briefly see a prompt suggesting the desktop app, but if you want to stay in your browser, simply continue with the browser option. On the Webex page, click Join from this browser. This lets you access the meeting without installing anything extra, which is helpful if you're joining quickly or using a computer where you don't want to download software. Next, set up your microphone and camera before entering the meeting. Make sure the correct mic is selected so others can hear you clearly. And check your camera preview if you plan to be on video. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone or camera, be sure to allow it, otherwise those features may not work properly. Once everything looks and sounds right, click Join Meeting. After that, you'll enter the Webex session and be ready to participate. If you want the smoothest experience, it's a good idea to join a minute or two early so you have time to test your audio and video before the meeting begins.